Hello and welcome. Today is Wednesday, the 5th day of November 2014. My name is Derek. Welcome to today's silver chart analysis, which has price action down over a $0.50 again, down to 15 1/3, or a percentage loss of 4.25%. 6% volatility today, the largest volatile day in over a year's time, as it is now just hanging down within this lower band, of course, on the break of this key support. I was stating that this is the start of the next leg lower. This was a massive leg lower. This on this particular time frame, it's leg lower number 2. Now, I mentioned about the manipulation in the previous video, and I actually had a comment stating that they state the manipulation's not as bad as you would think, and I have to tend to think it's probably much, much worse. Now, this is the volume that I picked up from NetDania for the silver market on the weekly time frame, which shows in here the last, since October, late September, as it was flirting with this $18 mark in here. The volume's been really, really high. It's what they call the paper contracts, the digital contracts, whatever you want to call it. But it's not actually silver that's making these prices go lower. It's the bankers doing what the bankers are doing. And I have no idea how much further they're going to let this go. But right now, we're talking about the next support level of 14 2/3, but even 14.47, as I've talked about Fibonacci upside during, of course, this down market. Well, that's the next key support level. Breaking down below that, looking at about 10.5. And you might as well keep going because they keep on capitulating this market. You got about 8. It's not much from 8 to about 4. So when we get to 4, we're probably still going to go lower, aren't we? Well, below that, you're looking at about 2.50. And then $1.25, and below that, maybe a quarter. Breaking below a quarter, maybe we'll see a dime. At that point, you can get a 10-ounce bar maybe for $1. And I'm being sarcastic when I talk about those extreme levels, but that's where we are right now. For when the price action was all the way up in the 40s and the 50s, I figured the lowest that it could possibly go to would be down towards this range. It probably would have been very quickly within it and then snap back higher fast. Obviously, that has not been in play thus far. So thank you for tuning in to today's quick video, and I'll talk to you later on again at the end of the week or into the weekend. Bye-bye.